Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to reduce time in Samsung washing machine. So, the first thing is to do, you can simply switch on the power button of your Samsung washing machine. After that, you will see here in your washing machine dial pad a power button. Simply click on it to enable your washing machine. After that, you will see here there are many modes, like first one here you will see 15 and 30 minutes mode. It's only used on monsoons. Like if you want to reduce your time to 15 or 30 minutes to wash your cloth, you can choose any one option. Okay? And the another way is that you will select a cycle. Like you will see here there are many cycles in normal, quick wash, delight. So you can simply select a quick wash to wash your clothes in a quick time. When you select a quick wash timer, your washing machine take less time to wash your all clothes. Approx means it can increase its speed. And the final step is you can simply Eco Tub Clean. When you change the cycle to Eco Tub Clean. After that, they will clean itself. Sometimes your washing machine is going too slow. When like some dirts or a hard water blocked your water pipe or the motor. So when you select Eco Tub Clean and then click on start button, after that the washing machine clean itself. Like it is a cleaner of the washing machine. They will automatically select a water and then spin it a constant speed to remove all the dirts and hard water from your washing machine. And then to increase your washing machine efficiency and power. So that's it. You are now easily learn how to decrease easily learn how to reduce time in Samsung washing machine. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.